Man, oh man, I just had to cover up my address real quick, but one of the parts is finally here. I'm about to open it, check it out, and then wait for the next part to come. Alright, so cool thing, FedEx actually put two of the parts I ordered in the same box, so I actually just got two parts. I don't have to wait for another one to come today. The next one will come, you know, in a week or two. But I'm about to take them out their wrappers and yeah, I'll show you guys what I got. Alright, so first thing first, we have the Camry SE trunk lip. I'm gonna slap it right onto that trunk, make it look a little bit more aggressive, more sleek. Came with hardware I did not know I was going to need. I was just going to just 3M tape this guy and just call it a day. But that's the first part. The second part actually got an IS250 diffuser. It's supposed to be for, I believe, a 2006 through 2015 Lexus IS250 or IS350. Yeah, it should, you know, it's gonna look good. I believe in it. Here's how it looks like on the car. So I still need to figure out a clever way on how to make the markings so I can get those bolts to fit on exactly with, you know, these already pre-made holes. You know, I'll figure it out. Alright, so screwed the bolts in and it's actually good fitting, but as you can see, there's still a little bit of space. So I am going to drill the holes for this bolt and this bolt to hopefully close up that gap. But it looks pretty good, looks pretty OEM. Besides, like I said, we're closing up that gap. Yo, what up, what up? Day 2, stay tuned. right, so the diffuser is on. My thoughts on it, honestly, I love the view from the back, but once I go to the side, it pisses me off a little, especially my sanding work. I got real lazy. Definitely the gap up here, that pisses me off, but from behind, it looks good. It looks really good, and I think so, at least.